Okay, what we have here is the TYT TH9000 2-meter radio, and what I'm going to show you here is just a quick, easy way to program it. So let's go ahead and get started. When you first turn on the radio, it'll come up to 136. And it'll currently be in frequency mode or VFO mode. But what you want to do is press and hold the F key. Okay, now you have your step. That's number 1. You want to set that. You want to set that to 5. Okay. And P1 and P2, P2 goes up, P1 goes down. So we got to go to number 8 and select our band. We will be on 25. There's 25. Okay, now I always just press P3 to get out of it. So from here we're ready to get started. So what we do, we can either do everything by the radio, just turn it into frequencies. But I'm just going to go ahead and just type it in on the keypad here. 1 4 6 6 4 0. Okay. Now, from here, we have to set our offset and PLL tones and all that. So, to do your offset, you would press and hold the P4 button. As you can see there, 600. I'm going to offset. This particular repeater is on an offset of 850. We'll just bring it up to 850 here. Okay, now press and hold it again. There's the negative. There's the positive. Okay, now from here, to set our tone, we would press the P5 button randomly until you see the T come up, which is right here. You see it 103.5 and you see a little T in the very dead center, top center. So what we want to do is take it to 103.5, and you can press any key to get out from there. Now, to store this frequency, you have to press the F key and it'll bring up an M and a number down in the bottom left corner. See, we're in memory mode. You see the 0 is blinking. I already got a channel, a frequency saved on that particular channel. What you have to do in order to save this frequency or a frequency, you must have a corresponding channel and the M blinking. So we're just going to go backwards here, and see it's 198. You see the both M and 198 is blinking. Well, to save that particular frequency to that channel, I would just press the P3 button and you'll hear 2 beeps. Now that's saved. Now, that's all you have to do to program your TYT. And to go into a little bit more on the your functions or whatever, press and hold the F key. Okay, and from here we're just going to cycle through. Let's go back down to 1. 1 starts you out in your kilohertz, what have you, your step. Let's give you a little look-see at each function. Now, number setting on 7, that's your power, high, medium, and low. So I got it currently set on medium. There's low, there's high, back to medium, which is 25 watts. Like I said, it comes with 30 different functions. Now, beep on or beep off. If I turn the beep off, that takes care of the little sound. I like to have mine on. There's the timeout timer. I got it set to 10 minutes. Got my squelch here at 22. I got it down to 1. As you can see when I turn it off, you'll see over here on the bottom right my little signal squelch coming up. I got it set to 1. Lamp number 24. I like mine set on 10. You can have it set as high or as low as you want. You know, that's blue. There's the color. The blue, amber. Let me bring that up some. Go back to blue. And there's number 30 is restore. Now, if you want to restore it back to factory settings, you have to turn this knob to where it says fact and tap the P4 button, and that restores it back to factory settings. Which I don't want to do that, so we'll just get out of that. Okay, but anyway, we already got you set up and get you on the frequencies. Now, the P1 button will clone another radio. You know, the P2 button, hold it down, it shows you how many volts you're pushing. But let's store this in the radio. Well, we've already stored it in the radio. The P3 button, that takes you from V8 VFO to memory. So I'm in memory. There's the frequency. Let's go to channel 198. What I had in there. So I only got seven channels, and it automatically goes to your next channel. So let's go ahead and key it up. I'm at 25 watts of power. KK4 WNA test.
14749AN4X receiver.
But that's how it is to it. Is just a very quick, down and dirty way of getting in and setting up your TYT TH9000 2-meter radios. Just go back and rewatch the video if you need to go through any other step or what have you. So let me go ahead and clear out the channel. KK4 WNA, nothing heard. Clear. One other thing, if you want to delete a channel, go back to 198. If you want to delete a channel, you press the F key and the P4 key at the same time. As you can see, it's ready to receive a channel now. You see them blinking. But thank you for watching. Have a great day.